Hello students, today we have to solve some questions under chapter playing with numbers, and we have to solve the question based on HCF. Question number first is find the HCF of the numbers using the prime factorization method. Second question, find the HCF of the numbers using the continued division method. Here we have to solve this question by two methods. How to find the HCF by two methods. First is prime factorization method. Second is continued division method. So we start from question number first. Question first. Solution. First A. First come first. 36, 84. Solution. First of all, we have to factorize 36 and 84. So let's factorize 36. 36. So it is divisible by 2 because all of you have studied the divisibility of different numbers. So there is no need to explain here again and again. So it is divisible by 2. 2 1 ja 2, 2 8 ja 16, 2 9 ja 18, 3 3 ja 9, and 3 1 ja 3. So factor 36 is equal to factors of 36. Here you have to factor of 84. Factor of 84 is this. So 84 factor of 36. 36. These are the factors of 36 is equal to 2 into 2 into 3 into 36 is equal to 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. Factor of 84. So here we have to factorize 84. 2 4 ja 8, 2 2 ja 4, 2 2 ja 4, 2 1 ja 2, 3 7 ja 21, 7 1 ja 7. So 84 is equal to 2 into 2 into 3 into 7. So here prime factors of 36. You have factorized 36 and after factorization you have to circle the common factor. Here encircle the common factor. First 2 and first factor in 36 is 2 and 84 is 2. So it is common in both. Second 2 and second 2. Here both are common. And 1 3 and 1 3. 2 2 2 2 3 3. They are common. But here 3. But in 84 there is no again 3. Here in 84 7 is factor, but in 36 is have no factor. So these are common factors. These are the factors which are present in 36 and 84. These are common factors. So product of common factors. So common factor, product of common factor, product of common 2 into 2 into 3, जो दोनों में मैच करता है उसी को लिखिए। 2 2 जा 4, 3 जा 12। So hence HCF of 36 and 84 is 12. In this way, you can find the HCF by the prime factorization method. We solve the option second, question first. Option second is 14, 42, 84. Solution. Factor of 14. So we factorize 14. 2 7 जा 14, 7 1 जा 7. So 14 is equal to 2 into 7. Factor of 42. 42 factor of 42. 2 2 जा 4, 2 1 जा 2. 3 7 जा 21, 7 1 जा 7. Hence 14 is equal to 2 into 3 into 7. Factor of 84. 2 4 जाए, 2 2 जा 4, 2 2 जा 4, 2 1 जा 2, 3 7 जा 21, 7 1 जा 7. 84 is equal to 2 into 2 into 3 into 6. So we can write 14 is equal to 2 into 7. 42 is equal to 2 into 3 into 7. 84 is equal to 2 into 2 into 3 into 7. Here 2 and 7, 14 can be expressed in the factor forms and 42 also expressed in the factor forms. 84 is this. So you have to select the common factor, the factor which is common in are 14, 42 and 84. There are two. These two and this first two is common. These are common. And now 7 is present in 14, 42 and 84 also. This 7 and this 7. These are commons. I know any other factors are. So common product of common factor. Product of common factor is equal to 2 into 7 is equal to 10 to the 40. So hence HCF of 14, 42 and 84 is 40. way, all of you can solve the question of SCF by the help of prime factorization method. Now we start to solve second question by the help of continued division method. In division methods, we do not factorize. In the division method, the greater number is divided by the smaller number. All of you have studied about how to find the SCF by division method. Now solve the question. Question second. Option first is 504 980. In this you have to divide 980 by 504 because this is the smaller number and this is the greater number. So 5 solution. Nine 980 divided by 504. When we divide 980 by 504, it goes one time. 504. Subtract it. Out 4 from 10, 6, 7, 4. Now this remainder will be divisor and we have to divide 504 by this remainder. 504 one time 476 out 6 from 14 8 out 7 from 9 2 28. Now this remainder we divide by 28 previous remainder. Previous remainder is 476. 28 1 28 9 1 and 6. Seven times. 7 8 जा 56. 7 2 जा 40. 14 5 9. Yes, 28 is the number which divides last divisor is 28. So HCF of 504 and 980 is 28. In this way, by division method, you have to divide the greater number from smaller number by smaller number, and when we get the remainder, we divide the previous divisor by the remainder. When we divide it and remainder is 28, we divide previous remainder by 28. After dividing 28, we get 0 remainder. When we get 0 remainder, the previous remainder is called HCF. So previous remainder is 0. So previous remainder is 28. So HCF of 504 and 980 is 28. In this way, you can get the HCF. Now we solve the option second. Option second is 341 and 1302. Here the smaller number and the greater number. This is smaller number and this is greater number and this is greater. So first of all we have to divide 1302 by 341. 1302 divided by 341. 4 times 4 is 4. 4 is 16. So 3 times. 3 1 is 3. 3 4 is 12. 3 3 is 9 1 10. 3 1 is 3. 3 4 is 12. 3 3 is 9 1 10. Subtract out 3 from 12. 9. Out 2 from 9. 7. 2. Then previous divisor 341. 1 time 279. Out 9 from 11. 2. 7 from 13. 62. 279. 4 times. 4 2 is 8. 4 6 is 24. Out 8 from 9 1. Out 4 from 7. 31. 31 divided by 60. 31 2 is 60. Here the previous remainder is 31. Now 31 is the HCF of 341 and 1302. Now divide 155 by 62. 155 by 31. 5. 5 1 is 5. 5 3 is 50. So 31 divide 150 completely. So 31 is the HCF of 155, 341 and 1300. HCF of 155, 341, 1302 is 31. 31 is the HCF of these three numbers. In this way, all of you can solve different types of questions based on HCF from your exercise. So it is sufficient for today. We see in next video with new question. Thanks for today.